journey at Liverpool Lime Street station for our train to Blackpool for today. And here we see the chance meeting statues of a loving couple who met at the station years ago here in Liverpool, and Liverpool Council decided to preserve their bodies after they died and inside these two statues. And now as this video is out on April Fool's Day, if you believe that statue story, then I gotcha. Now back to today's video, and we see there's a large selection of shops here around Liverpool Lime Street station. And there is an area here inside the station entrance which helps passengers who has disabilities, and also there's a tourist information. Now I did book the ticket with Trainline. For a return ticket it cost me €26. That's around £22 sterling, and as you can see you can choose early price times and you get a cheaper price. Also the tickets can be downloaded to your phone and scanned at the barriers for entrance towards the train. And as you will see, there is also luggage storage facilities here at Liverpool Lime Street station. You'll see here, you just put your phone up and there the scannable code, barcode, and scan your code, and away you go through the exit barrier, entrance barrier, sorry. And I did try the full English breakfast here, Witherspoons, and it certainly is a place that I cannot recommend, I must say. It wasn't the best. And our journey today takes around 1 hour and 20 minutes, and our stops along the way are Huyton, St Helens Central, Wigan, Exton, Leyland, Preston, Portland Lafoyd, and finally Blackpool North. And let's board our northern train for today, which consists of 4 carriages. Let's take a brief walk through the train so we can see the layout. To note, the power socket is located under the seat in the middle of the chairs. And the train is laid out in a 2 and a 2 plus seat style configuration. There is a table tray with a cup holder at the 2-person seating position, and I must say the train was spotless clean, so credit to Northern Rail. Also there's great leg space here, as you can see. There is also an armrest between each seat. There is overhead luggage storage and large luggage storage at the carriage entrance. Although there is not a designated large luggage storage, it can be stored here. Off we go on our journey to Blackpool and into the Wild West. And the Wi-Fi worked perfectly.
service to Blackpool North. The next station stop is Exton Bolshaw Lane.
It's time for a toilet tour. So let's see how the toilet conditions are and the soap does it work. As you can see here, the soap works perfectly, the water is sound, and also the dryer is perfect as well. Also, you'll see further that the toilet is in immaculate condition, so a credit to Northern Rail for cleanliness. Here you can see Wigan Stadium in the distance. And our electrified train rolls along at speeds of up to 120 kilometers, and that's 74 miles per hour. We now cross the River Ribble here in Preston. As you can see, our train today was not too busy. Now there is sometimes a seat reservation system, but this was not active today. Now approach Blackpool North Station. And let's walk to Blackpool as I show you a great place to get a roast turkey sandwich. You're not going to want to miss this one. And as you can see, Blackpool North is a small station, but it does serve its purpose. There's a taxi rank right outside the station here, as you can see, but we're going to walk right to Blackpool North Pier. And as you will see, soon Blackpool tram can be taken right at Blackpool North Station. Work should be completed by the time this video is out. There is a Sainsbury's across from Blackpool Station should you wish to stock up on some food. And we now approach Abington Barbecue on Abington Street and the roast sandwicher in the town. Look at that queue, it speaks for itself. Also locals eat here, so you can be sure it's a brilliant place to have a nice roast sandwich. Roast sandwich turkey here cost me £3.50 and I must say it was filled to the brim and also included some stuffing, so an absolute must on your visit here to Blackpool, a place I certainly recommend. And now Blackpool North Pier is less than 3 minutes walk from Abington Street, and here the tram can be boarded. And the tram cost me £6 for an adult single day ticket, so hop on and hop off as you wish, and it's bought from the conductor on board. Now we'll be doing a full Blackpool tour and nightlife video on his channel when the busy season kicks in, so stay tuned and subscribe. And I do hope this video was useful and you enjoyed your time here in Blackpool, and also please comment on good places to eat here if you know any, and a like is always welcome.